In this video, we're going to show you to install the map sensor on your Honda Ridgeline located on top of your throttle body. You want to go ahead and remove your engine cover. Normally across the front side, you're going to have some plastic retainers holding that. Ours are missing, so you want to go ahead and remove those. Then you're going to pull up on the engine cover straight up. There's going to be two plastic posts into rubber grommets. You're going to separate that, lift that cover up, and set it aside. Now we went ahead and sprayed this down with some rust penetrant. Sometimes these screws don't want to come out and you don't want to break this off inside the throttle body. So we're going to loosen that. We're going to go ahead and come on over here, disconnect the electrical connector. We're going to pinch down on this tab and slide this off. I'm going to go ahead and use a Phillips head screwdriver to go ahead and remove this screw. Now the component itself is held in with a little rubber grommet, so you're just going to gently grab that and twist it as you're pulling up and out. There it is, and there's a little rubber seal around here. I'm just going to clean up around here. I'm going to clean up our electrical connector. I'm going to take you a new component, and if it feels really tight going in, you can go ahead and put a thin coat of silicone paste on that just to help that pop into place. Good. Grab that unit and gently twist that, rotate that in, and push that down. It'll pop into place. Go ahead and grab that screw. If you want to, you could always apply a tiny bit of NEC's compound to that screw if you choose to do so. It's not mandatory, but it might be helpful. Thread this down and just gently snug it down. The component itself has a brass sleeve in there, so you can't crack the plastic, but you just need to secure that in place so it's not wobbling around. Go ahead and install the connector. You're going to hear and feel it lock into place. Now go ahead and install your engine cover. If you happen to have a check engine light due to this unit being bad, you want to go ahead and clear that, and once that's done, go ahead and take it for a road test. Go ahead and take the engine cover. Now the two plastic pins that will line up. Push those down, and then install your retainers on the front side of the engine cover itself.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.